How to blur background in a video call on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, you will see Video Effect is here. Make sure Video Effects button is turned on. After turn on this button, you will see after the process, go back to home screen and you will see your video call is showing on your screen. So after attend video call, you will see your background is blurred. So that's how you can blur background in a video call on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.